And of course, on the way back home, YFUG and Bumblebee, they're going for a quick stop at Winds the Yacht Harbor to have a look at this beautiful scenery. The clouds up in the sky. Ooh yeah, it's pretty windy up here. Cold wind. It's not cold if you dress up warm. If you're not dressed up warm, it's cold. That makes sense, right? Bridge. Ooh. Yep. Leave it behind, Gunther. Leave it behind. Don't take it home. River Rescue, the west, the south, the east, and behind us, where the wind is coming from, it's the north. The wind is blowing east, northeast. Gotta get back home. I want the hot coffee and I want to take a power nap down in the basement, hugging and snuggling with Blackjack. He's waiting for us so badly to come back home. Let's fulfill his wish, okay? See you guys later. Happy Sunday. DK50NV at Winds the Yacht Harbor. A little bit windy. Out of here.